Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chicken Natural Remedies. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys the strongest fat burner. This drink I'm about to share with you guys melt down that stubborn fats so easily, and is a wonderful drink. It doesn't have any side effects, it's just natural things. So if you want to melt down that fat and keep in shape, and this thing sounds like what you are interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. So the first I'm gonna use for this recipe is our lemon. I'm gonna just cut the lemon into two. Then I will extract the juice. I'm not going to throw this away. This lemon, I'm not going to throw the lemons. I'm not going to throw it away. Just keep it aside, and I'll extract another one. Just making use of one lemon. If you want it to be big, if you want to put it inside the fridge, you can go ahead and double it. I just want to drink it right now. I have a lot in the fridge. So I'll just drop it. This is the lemon juice, and this is the lemon, this is the fiber. So I'll just set it aside. Then I will cut my lemon. Please make sure you watch the end, because at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you guys how to drink it for more effective. I'll just cut the lemons in. This is what I'm gonna use for this. This I'll just add this straight to the plate and set it aside. I'm gonna make the second thing I'm gonna make use of in this recipe is ginger. You cannot go wrong with ginger, guys. You can never go wrong with ginger. It is a strong antioxidant and it boosts your immunity. Honestly guys, you can never go wrong with ginger. So right now that's the point I'm gonna use. So right now I'm gonna just cut it and put it inside the plate as well. I'll just go ahead and remove the back. There's a lot of benefit in ginger. If you have been following this channel, you know I don't play with ginger. Ginger will help you to just melt down that stubborn fat. Just cut it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll add straight to the plate. The same place. So the next thing we need is our curcumin, which is turmeric. That's the next thing we eat. Turmeric protects our body from a harmful bacteria and depression. It also reduces anti-inflammation, which helps in weight loss. So that's the third thing we are going to use. Then the another thing we are going to use in this recipe, I just want to introduce before I start adding it straight to the pot, is our black pepper. Black pepper boosts your metabolism, suppresses fats accumulation in body, and promotes speed weight loss. It strengthens your immunity and fight against infection. This is just what we need. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it for more effective. So let's just get here. So guys, you can see the water is boiling, because I allow the water to boil before I start adding this to the water. So the first I'm going to add is the ginger and the lemon zest. I'll just add it straight to the pot. So the next I'm going to add is the pepper, black pepper. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Just 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next I'm going to add is turmeric. I'm using turmeric powder. If you have the turmeric stick, you can go ahead and use it. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The last thing I'm gonna add before I cover is just the lemon fiber. I'll just add it straight to the pot. And I'll add more water. Then I'll cover the pot. So this is 2 cups of water. So I'll allow it to just boil for 10 minutes. Okay, see you guys in the next 10 minutes. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. So the tea is ready. So then I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'll allow it to cool down. Okay. So guys, this is the tea. I'll just turn it straight to the cup. You can see it's still cut. So I'll add, remember this lemon juice, I'll just add it straight to it. So guys, this is what you need just to reduce that stopping fat. Honestly, this thing works like magic. Just go ahead and drink it very early in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, that's just what you take. This is a very powerful tea which helps to remove the stubborn fat and lowers depression, and also it's helps for diabetes, which helps keep your blood sugar normal. Drink this tea twice a day, guys. If you didn't, just drink it after your breakfast. After your breakfast, just give it like 30 minutes before you go ahead and drink this drink. Then after your dinner, you give it like 30 minutes again before you drink it. You will see how wonders gonna do in your belly, tummy, in your body. Just reduce that stubborn fat and keep you in shape. Hope you loved this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Ciao.